Let's make some wings. I love wings. And these are especially delicious, especially good. I'm going to use some oyster sauce, soy sauce, cornstarch, honey, garlic, and let's get started. I'm going to start off with a little bit of butter in a little saucepan. And I'm going to add my garlic, 2 tablespoons of garlic, and just cook this up very slowly. Okay, it's gone about 3 minutes, very low heat. It's turned slightly brown, slightly golden. I'm going to add 1 cup of water, and I can turn the heat up now. And a half a cup of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of the oyster sauce. I'm just going to eyeball it. There we go. And then honey, 3/4 cup honey. It's been bubbling away for about 2 minutes. I'm going to add some slurry of cornstarch. So I added about that much cornstarch and enough water to cover it. Mix it up and put it in here, and this will help thicken the sauce. We'll just leave it on the heat here until we see it's starting to thicken. Next, I will take my pot and add my vegetable oil to the pot and heat this up. I'm using this bottle of 48 ounces of vegetable oil. Here's my chicken. It's been marinating. I put a teaspoon of kosher salt, a teaspoon of onion powder, and about half a teaspoon of pepper. And this is I did that about 2 hours ago, and it's been in the refrigerator marinating. And while the oil is heating up, I'm going to add some cornstarch. I'm not going to use any flour. I'm just going to use cornstarch. They won't get golden brown because cornstarch doesn't get very brown when you fry it. So, and the reason I'm doing that is because the sauce is so dark anyway, and cornstarch will give it a very nice crisp to the skin. So just mix these around in the cornstarch and let them sit here out on the counter while the oil heats up. My vegetable oil is about 365 degrees. You want 350 to 375. I'm going to start frying. And I have about 2.5 pounds of wings, around that amount, or a what do you call it, a kilo of wings. And I'm going to fry half of them at a time. And I think that's about half. I'm going to cook them about 12 minutes, 13 minutes. This is the last batch. I fry them for 13 minutes. They start floating in the oil about 10, 11 minutes. Probably 10 minutes. I put them directly into the sauce. Directly in there. And then cover them. And then serve. Let them cool off a minute or two. Well, these have rested about 5-10 minutes. I put some green onion on top. Very, very good. Very nice. I think I let them rest a bit too long, but the flavor is there. Honey, soy sauce, a little bit of garlic. Really good. Thank you so much for watching.